In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe from Steam Workshop if a mod isn't working the way you expected, is causing crashes, or you just want to tidy up your game setup. Unsubscribing is the cleanest way to stop Steam from downloading and updating that item. This process is quick and you can always change your mind later and resubscribe with a single click. To start, open the Steam application on your computer. You don't need to be in any particular tab. Library, store, or home are all fine. What matters is that you're signed in and connected to the internet so Steam can sync your workshop data. Now head to the workshop. At the top of the Steam window, look for Community and select Workshop from the drop-down. The workshop is Steam's hub for user-created content across thousands of games. From here, you can browse, manage, and, most importantly for today, access everything you've already subscribed to. Inside the workshop, find the section labeled Your Files. Click it, and then choose Subscribed Items. This page is your personal list of every mod, map, skin, or other workshop item you're currently following. If you subscribe to content for multiple games, don't worry. There's usually a game filter and a search box. Use the game drop-down to narrow the list to a single title, type a few letters of the item's name, or sort by date. Subscribe to quickly surface recent additions. Locate the specific mod or item you want to remove. Thumbnails, titles, and creator names make it easier to confirm you're looking at the right one. If the list is long, take advantage of search and filters so you don't scroll forever. When you open the items page or see it in the list, double-check it's the exact entry you mean to remove, especially if there are similarly named variants or different versions. When you're sure, click Unsubscribe. Steam will immediately stop tracking updates for that item and it will disappear from your subscribed items list. In many cases, Steam also removes the associated workshop files in the background. The change typically takes effect the next time your game checks your mod list. If you use collections, remember that staying subscribed to a collection can re-add items, so make sure the item isn't being included that way. That's all there is to it. You've opened Steam, gone to Community and Workshop, visited your files and subscribed items, found the exact mod you wanted, and clicked Unsubscribe. If you ever want it back, just return to its workshop page and subscribe again.